तातूनही घालपाक येता.
चौथी पहिली हे पावचे भजन साहित्य पावला.
You can give an assurance that you will take care of small farmers.
ताचो हांव 100% म्हणिना स्पीकर सर भितरलो प्रोपोर्शन ठराया.
Take care of small farmers who are not more than 5 acres. किती तरी दियात.
35 constituencies are involved. 35.
आणि भितर वाळपय काणकोण सांगे पेडणे ग्रामीण भाग आसा स्पीकर.
Give assurance. You have to stand.
एश्योरन्स उबे नाही दितात न्ही स्पीकर सर.
Power Minister Alexio Sequeira was grilled by opposition for delay in issuing electricity bills by
Senior reporter Rakesh
in rural areas. Minister accepted the delay and said that the total state electricity overdue till February is 102 crores 55 lakhs. Sequeira said that the delay was mostly because the electricity staff was on election duty in spite of his opposition. Minister now has said that they will go for spot billing.
Not only during election, for last 1 year, last 2 years.
Because I agree.
They don't have adequate meter readers there.
No, I agree with what you're saying. If you there is another question which I'm sure you'll have that talks in terms of employment of meter readers. There we have said there's a shortage of meter readers. However, we have tried or we are trying now to start spot billing. If we are successful in that, we will launch it all over.
This patch of Ukokero to the housing board doesn't have street light. 2 years the estimates are under scrutiny. Let us see the working of department in another case. Extension of street light from Borwanwada to Galwar Junction in Veloti. The estimate is under scrutiny. Estimate for tube light fixtures 2 years. It takes 2 years for you. What kind of ministry you are running?
Some of these estimates, because sir, were delayed in approval because when he was the finance minister, his own department, finance department, has sent the estimates back saying that what is the priority, who are the beneficiaries, who are blah 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 blah.
If I am a finance minister, Mr. Speaker, sir, you expect me to turn down my own estimate? If you proves that, I will resign. As an MLA, when you work, if the government doesn't want to give us that small thing, you get irritated. Mr. Speaker, sir, I have to put on the record, and I am ashamed. This honorable minister has not replied to any one of my letters for last 2 years.
Honorable Minister, please see that these works are taken up fast.
Yes, Speaker, sir.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar with video journalist Ganesh Otkar for Prudent Media.
Time for another short break. After the break, watch half-collapsed footbridge at Kurti and enjoy your video of the day. Stay tuned. Welcome back. The footbridge at Kurti Nagzari is partially collapsed. This bridge is used by many commuters. Sentiments of the villagers are also attached to this footbridge as people use it for Ganesh immersion.
This is the footbridge at Kurti Nagzari. It is lying in a partially collapsed state and can collapse fully anytime. Villagers are now feeling the pinch of it.
4-व्हीलर येताली ती तेवटेन भायल्यांच्यान येवचे पडटा आनी तांकां व्हडलो रूट घेवचो पडटा आनी इस्कॉलाच्या भुरग्यांक त्रास जाता आनी सट्ट करून भितर पडली जाल्यार इस्कॉलाची भुरगीं सुद्दां व्हाळान भंय न्ही रातचे तर कोणाक कळचें सुद्दां ना. हांगा तर सामकें अशें कितें तरी लावून धरूंक जाय, प्रोटेक्शन तरी दिवंक जाय. आतां 3-4 म्हयने जाले दिसता म्हाका हे कोसळ्यात आनी म्हाका मिनिस्टर सुद्दां येवन गेले दिसता हांगा. कितें रवी नायक तो सुद्दां येवन गेलो करून दिता अशें कितें सांगलां.
Sentiments of villagers are also attached to this footbridge from past 50 to 60 years.
नाचत आणि फोग हे पळय आमगेले हे घेता मजा कशी घेता. खूप लोक जाता गर्दी 5 दिसाचे म्हणजे 8 पयस सुद्दां इतले लोक जायना पूण हांगसर तितले जाता आनी हांगा मागीर आमगेले कितें भजन आरती बिरती आमगेले हांगा चालू आसता. विसर्जन हांगा करतात तेन्ना हांगा 25 गणपती जाता आमगेले सगळे. हो आमगेलो चवथी पर्यंत जर जालो जाल्यार आमगेली मातशी उमेद मातशी बरी एक येणे जातली आशिल्ली. आनी येरादारीक कितें त्रास जाता हांगा? खूब त्रास म्हणजे गाडी पळय आतां आमगेले वयता घेता पळय ते त्रास जाता वचोंक मेळना अडकळ जाता त्रास जाता लोकांक सुटना गाडयो.
Panch Narayan Naik says that he will speak with Ponda MLA Ravi Naik about it.
मी होम मिनिस्टराक आमी सांगला ऑलरेडी सांगला आनी होम मिनिस्टराक सांगला करता म्हण सांगला म्हणून अजूनही हांव जाय जाल्यार आज वचून हांव उमेशला मेळटलो आनी उमेशला मेळोन वचून हांव उमेश परत हें करतलो.
A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
People have different facial expressions. Some exercise with facial expression to live young forever and to keep the muscles strong. These are some of the visuals where ladies in New York are trying to be young by exercising facial expression. You can learn from them as well. Have a great time. Because yes, it looks very funny, but it's serious. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media.